Your subscribers. They will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just iPhone cellular data turning on and off, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here airplane mode, so just try to turn it on, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the cellular data, just turn off, wait a second and just turn it on. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to go to the general, just find here reset and just choose reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So after the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iOS. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.